Hello everybody. Today we will discuss constants, variable and algebraic expressions. After this lecture, you will able to learn about what are constants, what are variables and what are algebraic expressions. So let's start from the beginning. So what are constants? Constant is any number or a digit that has a fixed value. For example, what is meant by digit? Digit are from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are single value digit. And what is number? Number consists of two or more digits. For example, 1, 0. It has two digits, 1, 0, so it is number. So these all are constant. So it has any value. For example of the constant is 2, 34. These all are constant. These are the numerical values, okay, or mathematicals. So these are the constant 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are the fixed value that cannot be changed. Now after this we will describe what are variables. Variable is actually the hidden value. It may vary from one equation to other equation. For example, we know that x plus 2 is equal to 4. So what is x? X is equal to 4 minus 2 or 2. So this is the value of x. Similarly, if we write it x minus 2 is equal to 4, so implies that x is equal to 4 plus 2 6. So the value of the variable is changing at the events. So it sometime exists and sometime non-exists. For example, let's say x is equal to y by 0. So it will be not exist because it is divided by 0, so it is undefined. So may have more than one value. Yeah, exactly. For example, we have equation x plus y into x minus y is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus y and x is equal to y is the solution set. So we have more than one value of the x, that is minus y and y, or we can write it as y comma minus y. So it is more than one value and it leads to infinity. The actual how much value will be x, it depends upon the degree of the equation. For example, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we will have the two values in the solution set that may exist or may not exist, but from the degree we can say that the possible values are 2 because it is the maximum value in the x. So in generally we represent in books the variable by x, y, z. So this is our equation x plus 2y. So what are the variables? There are two variables in our equation. One is x and other one is y. Now we will define what are the algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression connects the variables constant with each other. For example, we have 2x plus 3y. Let's say this is our variable and these are our constant. So how we are connected? These are connected by some operations. Operations, what are operations? There are mainly 5 to 6 operation: plus, minus, division, multiply, etc, etc. There are some more operation, but we are talking about in this equation. So it is multiplication, it is multiplication. So we have connect the constant and variable by multiplication, and this constant by this variable by multiplication, and then we add these two terms. So this is our algebraic expression. Now we will do the numericals to find what are constant or what are not. For example, we have this problem and we have to find the point out the constant from this equation: 2x plus 4y. So now it is up to you that you have to find which is constant from the equation. We can write it as this: y, and so what are the constants? The red parts are a constant, so we can write it constant is equal to 2 and 4. So there are two constant in our expression. These are the 2 and 4. This is our answer. So now we will find the variable from the expression. We have this question and we have to solve. So this is our solution. First, we will write the equation as it is. 2x plus 4y is equal to 5, and we have to find the variables. So I can write the separate as 2, 4, 5. These are constant, and this is our operation, and this is our one variable, this is our second variable. So what are the variables? There are two variables that is represented by green part, so we can write that there are two variables is equal to x and y. Answer. Why this is called variable? Because it has non-numerical values and they are hidden values. It may have some value. So this is our next part, and we have to find the variable and constant from the equation. So let us solve solution as this 2x plus 3y, and we have to separate the variable and constant. So I can write the constant at 2, 3, and variable as x, y, while plus is the operation. So we have to find what we have to find. We have to find the variables. So variables is equal to, what are the variables? X and y. This is our variables, and we have to find constant. So we have two constant in our equation, 2 and 3. So this is our answer. This is also our answer. So we have solved our part.